How to convert comma-delimited string to list in Python? Given a string that is a sequence of several values separated by a comma, how do I convert the string to a list?
You can use the str-split method. If you want to convert it to a tuple, just. If you are looking to append to a list, try this.
In the case of integers that are included at the string, if you want to avoid casting them to int individually, you can do. It is called list comprehension, and it is based on set builder notation. X.
Consider the following in order to handle the case of an empty string.